everyone, welcome to this video. I'm the Flying Scotsman, and in this video we're going to be setting up a phone because I have recently taken on a project that requires me to have a Google phone, an Android phone. Now, this does not mean I am going to be getting rid of my iPhone 13. That stays. However, I am going to be setting up this phone alongside my iPhone. So unfortunately, because I don't have a tripod, there are going to be bits of this video I'm not going to be able to film, and there are things that I'm going to need to do off camera. So I do apologise for that. However, it is now time to see what we have. This is a purple case, and it sounds like there's stuff in there. Neat. We have the phone itself. It's in a blue case. So this phone came from Nikki, who we met in the last video, and I got this case as a late birthday present. I got the phone from Nikki, who is getting rid of it because she no longer needs it. So we have, I think we've got volume and power buttons on one side. Don't think we've got anything on the other. Microphone, and then good old-fashioned USB Type-C on the bottom. We also have the box. It's a Google Pixel 6a, which is the Canadian version of the Google Pixel 6. So let's have a look at the box first of all, and then we'll have a look at the phone. We'll have a look at the handset. So here's what's in the box. We have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. We have a USB Type-C to USB-A adapter. Nice. Actually, I think that went like that, actually. And then we have a couple of SIM card pullers. And here's the phone itself. So it's been in a case all its life, so it's in fantastic nick. So I think we've got a power button, volume up and down. Like I said, at the bottom, USB Type-C, speakers. And then there's your SIM card slot on the left. And then there's the top. And then on the back, we've got two cameras and a flash. And the back is about as grey as yours bottom, which is good that we've got the blue case. So let's put a SIM card in there. So this case is quite nifty because not only do you have a thing that will let you stand it up in whichever direction you would like it to, like so. But you also have a camera lens cover. Quite nifty, that. So, I was told this phone needs charged. Ooh. And, oh, no, it's powered itself on. Not sure which Android version this is.
Keyboard hidden.
Oh.
Welcome to TalkBack. Next, using speech recognition. Close. button. Use next. Welcome. Next. Capital N. Close.
So this has been set
Back
up with...
button. Welcome to your Pixel. Allow Android Accessibility Suite to send you notifications. Welcome to your Pixel. Accessibility. Vision settings. Vision settings. Vision settings. You can customize. Display. Magnific. Select to speak. Talkback. 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 Use talk. Stop talkback. Cancel. Stop. Talkback off.
There we go. Don't need that. What I will do though, there we go. I'll make my font size massive. Actually, can make the display size quite big as well. Actually, bold text. Okay, so things have gotten better. I'll tell you what I am going to do. I'm going to put the kickstand up. How's that? Might not be a bad idea, actually. Hang on. Oh. Okay, so we're done with that. So we'll put English United Kingdom. Get started. Right, I'm going to set up this Wi-Fi. So it's now asking me if I want to copy apps and data. Nope. Okay, so I've put in a giffgaff SIM card that's not actually been activated. We'll worry about that later. So now it is time for me to sign in. I'll do that off camera. So we are onto the setting up part. Use basic device backup. Yeah, we can do that if you want. Use location. Yep. Allow scanning. Scan for Wi-Fi networks and nearby devices. No. Send usage and diagnostics data. I'll turn that on if I need it. Install updates and apps. Right. So I've got this phone set up. And I'm learning how to use it. So I'm having to relearn Android. The last Android phone I had was a Samsung Galaxy. Text size isn't bad. You can't really see what the app names are on the menu. And if I go into some of the apps like this, the font isn't that bold. But, yep, I'm still in Edinburgh. What I need to do is set the wallpaper. Whoops. So I changed to a light theme because for me, that is a lot better. And here's a picture of Elgin that I downloaded from last time I was there. And that's not bad. And there we are. A lovely picture of Cooper Park in Elgin. And that is my Pixel set up. I should, what I will do though, is I'll post a video and a still picture from the camera as I get them. And we'll see where we go. So thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please do subscribe, and thank you, and please join me for my next one. Cheery bye.
Then he's got the blow pipe that he's using to keep the bag up.